Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to make your Android beautiful than ever. So first thing we are going to talk about the Android launchers. This is my original launcher what came with my phone. So I am going to change it to my new launcher. It's called the Nova launcher. You can see there are many options and many more features in this launcher. You can see you can enable and disable any features. So let's continue our video and see how to make your phone beautiful than ever. First of all, open your Play Store, then search launchers. In here you can see there are many more launchers in the Play Store. You can download and install any of them. But I am not going to talk about all of these type of launchers. You can see there are many more features in these launchers, but some of them these launchers are limited. So I am going to install Nova launcher. This launcher allow you to use unlimited customizing to this launcher. You can see you can edit home screen, you can edit your fonts. So let's see, install this launcher and open it and setting up this launcher. After the completing of your installation process, normally click on the home icon, then click Nova launcher. If you can't find this option, you can select your launcher from simply search on the settings. Open your setting application, then search on home and you can choose your home application as Nova launcher. Now you need to choose your home style. You can choose your original launcher style or star press style. I am using this one because it's very friendly to me. Then click on the next and you can choose dark, light or auto. I am using dark style. Then again click on next. Now you need to zip up an apps option or click and open your app option. I am using this option. Then apply. Now your launcher is applied. Then let's see, edit this launcher setting. You can see this launcher like this. I am going to edit it. Then click on your home screen, go to settings. Okay friends, when it came to here, you can edit anything on this launcher, but the case is if you download it and install this launcher from the Play Store, you can't edit more and enable more options. But if you download this application from the description of this video, you can edit anything on your setting. So I am not going to tell and explain all of these options one by one, but I am going to edit it. You was able to see my home screen and I am going to make it beautiful. So you can follow me and make your home style like me. Okay friends, here you can see this is my new launcher. You can see it's beautiful than my previous one. If you don't like to customize this Nova launcher, you can download and restore my Nova launcher setting. Go to your Nova launcher settings, then backup and import settings. Go to restore or manage backups, then go to browse and select your Nova launcher setting file. Now go to your download folder. Then select Nova launcher backup file. Then click yes. OK. What the? Okay friends, now you can see your Nova launcher here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell, join and stay safe.